How we doing, YouTube? It's R6 Monkey here again. Right, what the plan was to do a wee fitting video, a wee how to on how to wire up a universal gear indicator to a 2000 Yamaha R6 5EB. Now, the best advice I can actually give you for wiring this up is don't fucking bother. It is more hassle than it's worth. You've got so many wires. Wait and I'll go and salvage it again, right, just to go through this, because I have been at this for fucking ages, so I have. Right, now I'm pretty sure it's straightforward, but you've got your ignition wire, you then need to earth it, you then need to trace your neutral switch for the back of the gearbox. Straightforward to find. The pain in the arse is you've got two wee sensors, one obviously for upshift, one for downshift, and you have a wee toty magnet which are flung to fuck, right? Now, I'm pretty sure on other bikes it would be pretty straightforward, because where the gear lever is, there's probably somewhere to mount, but the trouble is on this, that isn't. So obviously I was trying to go from the gearbox, where the shift rod comes up, was to put a wee plastic rod on with a magnet on top, with the wires, and I was messing about, to the point where I thought, fuck it. Tore the whole thing out, flung it to fuck, because, let's face it, it's easy enough to realise what gear you're in, you know, you just, if in doubt, shift it right up to 6, and then start working your way back down. Do you know, I've managed this long without one, so the idea of the universal gear indicator is for the bin. If anybody wants it, message me, I will happily put it in an envelope and fucking send it to you. Good luck to you. But as far as I go, it is not going on the bike. Hopefully it will be back together very, very soon. I will be back out. The tank has been, the scratches have been removed, it's been re-lacquered, the tank is looking amazing. I'll be picking that up thanks to Grems. Cheers buddy. Obviously the air filter's been done, as you've probably seen in my last workshop video. I will be getting an oil and filter change done on it before it's out in the road. And hopefully a new rear disc, because the one I fitted rusted in the space of fucking 2 months. Aye, well done, stainless my arse. So that's it guys, that's an update. As I says, I was hoping to bring you a how-to video and how to fit a universal gear indicator, but do you know what, it's not happening. There's no need for it to happen, it's not going to be happening, and I would advise to use, just don't do it. Don't even bother. Don't waste your time, don't waste your sanity, don't get yourself stressed out with all these wires that's running fucking left, right, fucking up, down. It's not worth it. It just is not worth it just to know what gear you're in. You can figure it out yourself. So that's really about it guys. I know it's maybe not what you expected, but it is what it is. It's more so just a wee rant video on how much I'm now despising universal gear indicators. So do you know what guys, ride safe, keep our shiny side up, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully then it's out on the road. Bye.